to this debate again. But wait, where's Mommy?
What do you want?
Get digging, Bommy! The ingredients are probably underground.
Fries? That isn't going to work! I'm a more independent thinker now!
Get digging, Bommy! The ingredients are probably...
Let me just have a little bit of...
As much as I'd like to be a team player, Fan's right. Statistics are a beautiful thing.
So you're saying we just do nothing? Marsh, you gotta back me up here.
If Apple's cleaning...
Marshmallow's not cleaning. Count me out.
What an impressive seesaw! May I join? Nope, the world would literally end before you could do that with us. Read the sign, ball brain. This seesaw is for winners of BFDI only. Oh, only winners, huh? You'll live to regret those words. Can you leave? Fine.
We can always play on the swings, golf ball.
That is so 2013. That is why I called upon a genius in this time of need.
Aw, how nice of you.
Swag! What's up, party people?
Wah, but she's not a genius.
Genius. Yes, no. But does she possess average human intelligence?
YOLO!
Maybe not. Whatever. Their coolness is quadruple anyone else in
short-term memory loss condition that gets triggered when I hear the word seesaw.
I know you worked hard, but this is a private... gathering. Here's a little... gift to say thanks for today.
Whoa! Isn't loser the best, Pin?
Wow, for me?
Alright, Leafy, let's go. Hey, Pin, you're a loser. You're my loser.
So, I'm not coming? Was that a compliment?